Hey guys, so in this video all I'll be showing you guys is how to create curls on your braid using just hot water. So if you don't know how to use hot water to create curls on your braids, watch this tutorial and I bet you're going to thank me later for it. So if you're coming across my channel for the very first time and you're not following me, please do me a favor by hitting on the follow button. And also drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if this tutorial has been helpful. And if you have a specific hair tutorial you would like me to make, please feel free to drop it in the comment section and I'm going to make the video and upload it for you guys. So without taking too much of your time, let's get into this video. Let me show you how you actually make curls on your braid using just hot water. So firstly, what I like to do is to detangle the ends of the braid. You detangle, use your hairbrush. It's the easiest thing to use when you want to detangle extensions. I like to work in section. If I want to coil my braid using just hot water, what I would normally do is to work in section. I use different kinds of rollers, but the rollers I'll be using today is this one. You can use thread, you can use rollers, you can use the coily one, depends on what you want to use. But today we're using this medium size. It's not very large anyway, it's medium size. We're using these medium size rollers because we don't want the coils to be too tight, we want it loose. That's the reason why we're using these rollers. So what you will normally do, you put your rollers where the braid stop, but if you want to go further, that is optional. If you want to start from half of the braid, maybe half braid into the braid before you roll, it depends on what you are trying to achieve. But what we're going to do on this, just 1 inch away from where the braid stop, and then you roll. While you are rolling, you twist. While you're rolling, twist and twist and twist and you twist. You see the very sharp tiny thread, the very sharp strand of attachment. That's what you use to secure the extension onto the rollers, if that makes sense, before using this hook. So what you do when you put it here, making sure that it's almost the same length with the previous one, you just roll and roll and roll, and then you roll and you secure that. So this hook is going to secure it. And now we want to check the length from behind. So we're going to work with this one. We start it from here. So all you do, just like I said previously, you roll. You see that? You roll, you just twist it. While you're rolling it in, you're twisting it. While you're rolling it in, you're twisting it. And then use this to secure that, making sure you're detangling the extension. If not, if you don't detangle the extension, your coils is going to look tangled, if that makes sense. So you don't want it to look tangled by the time you remove the rollers. That's why you always need to detangle it. So do you see this sharp strand? Please don't trim it before you roll it, okay? Because that's what is going to help you. When I'm saying the little strand at the end, this is what I'm talking about. That's what is going to help you secure the hair to the rollers properly, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna roll again. You roll, you twist, you roll it in and twist it at the same time. You roll it in, twist it at the same time. Twist, 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 and use that very sharp end to seal it at the bottom. So this is what you're gonna have. So what we'll do next is to dip the braid inside the hot water. So when you're doing this, just make sure you have a very good towel. This towel is very, very thick, and there is another thing in her neck that can stop water from getting to her clothes. So we have that. Also, I like to use this flannel to drill the water out. So when dipping it inside the water, make sure that your water is this hot. Do you see that's coming out? Yes, make sure your water is properly hot. What you do is get your braids, dip it into the water, make sure that the water is properly hot.
This is the anthem to reshape. No limits, no rules, escape the tape. Bold colors and lines we create.
Bend your
Your
head.
crowns, your power on your face. Change your look, hair don't stay the same. Flipping the script,
So you use the flannel to drill out the water. So you get the braids and the rollers, you dip it into the water, then you soaked it in very well. Wait for a second so it's properly soaked in, and then you take it out. So after dipping the coils into the hot water, all you need to do is to dry it. I just use the towel to dry it like so. Put some styling mousse. This will just help you define the coils. So what I normally do, I put it on individual. I just put it one after the other. The styling mousse, what it does, it tightens the coils, so it makes the coils stay longer, if that makes sense. To make sure that the styling mousse silk into the braids, what I'm going to do is to use hand dryer to just dry it off quickly. So what we're going to do next is to take off the rollers. So let's take off the rollers, and what I like to do, you see this sharp mat that I used to secure the coils, I like to just chop it off. It gives you a more of a defined coil pattern by the time you're done. Just chop it off. If not, you're going to have those tiny strands hanging around the braid at the bottom. You don't want that. You just shove that off. This is the moment of truth. So you know I told you guys that we don't want the coils to be too tight, we want it loose. See what we got. If you don't detangle your hair very well, you're gonna get these coils tangling so bad. That's the reason why before you roll the hair, you make sure that it's properly and nicely detangled. So this is what we got. Let me show you guys how the coils look. So this is what the coils look like. You can see how beautiful that looks. It is very beautiful. So this is what the hair look like. So guys, if you think you like this tutorial on how to coil your braid with hot water, please don't hesitate to drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you like the tutorial, or if this tutorial has been helpful. And also, please hit on this follow button if you are not a subscriber already. That will really help the channel. By the way, look at those coils. It is beautiful. And thank you so much guys for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. But this coil is really beautiful. Look at that.